Our group will be presenting about the product costing for food manufacturing company called Fresh Bite Manufacturing Sdn Berhad. So, I'll be explaining about the company and product background. Fresh Bite was established in 2021 and produces halal, ready to cook food products for supermarkets and retailers. So, the company focuses on food safety, quality, and cost efficiency. So, our product is chicken sausage, which is produced in a modern factory using trained workers. So, the company produces thousands packs per month. Each pack is made from fresh chicken, spices, and casings and is hygienically packed for consumers. Next, I'll be explaining about the direct material cost. So, direct material are raw materials that can be directly traced to the product. So, for Fresh Bite, the main direct material used in producing chicken sausage include chicken meat, spices and seasoning, sausage casing and also packaging materials. So, the monthly cost of chicken meat is 6,000 ringgit for the chicken meat, spices cost 1,200 ringgit, casing cost 900 ringgit, and also packaging material cost 1,000 ringgit. So, therefore, the total direct material cost per month is 9,100 ringgit.
This slide shows our monthly direct labor cost, which includes wages paid to workers directly involved in the production process. Skilled processing worker costs 500 ringgit per monthly, while packaging worker costs 2,500 ringgit Malaysia. Overall, the total direct labor cost per month is 7,500 ringgit.
So for the next slide is manufacturing overhead cost. I would like to talk about manufacturing overhead is the sum of all the manufacturing costs except direct labor or direct material cost. So manufacturing overhead include indirect production cost. For example, is overhead item we talk about factory rent, electricity and gas, machine depreciation, hygiene and quality control supplies. And the monthly cost is for factory rent is 2,000 ringgit Malaysia, and electricity and gas is 1,500 ringgit Malaysia, and machine depreciation is 1,000 ringgit Malaysia, and hygiene and quality control supplies is 800 ringgit Malaysia. For the total manufacturing overhead is 2,000 plus 1,500 plus 1,000 and plus 800, we will get 5,300 ringgit Malaysia.
For this slide, I will explain the total cost of production at the company level. The formula used in total manufacturing cost, which consists of direct materials, direct labor and manufacturing overhead. Based on our data, the monthly cost for direct materials is 9,100 ringgit, direct labor is 7,500 ringgit and manufacturing overhead is 5,300 ringgit. When we add all these costs together, the total manufacturing cost per month is 21,900 ringgit. Since the company produces 1,000 packs per month, the cost per pack is 21 ringgit 90 cents.
Let's explain our selling price and monthly profit. The total monthly production cost is 21,900 ringgit Malaysia for producing 1,000 packs of chicken sausage. The suggested selling price is 28 ringgit Malaysia per packs, generating a total revenue of 28,000 ringgit Malaysia. After deducting all costs, the estimate monthly profit is 6,100 ringgit.
For this slide is important of product costing. What is product costing? Product costing is the process of calculating the comprehensive expenses associated with creating or acquiring a product, including direct costs like raw material and labor, as well as indirect costs such as overhead and administrative expenses. For example, is balance sheet. Inventory is one of our largest assets. Without precise product costing, we cannot accurately value what is sitting in our warehouse. And our costing is wrong. Our assets also are wrong. For the second is the income statement. To know profit, match the cost of a product exactly to the revenue is generated. Product costing allow us to calculate an accurate cost of goods sold. COGS.
I will explain product costing using chicken sausage as an example. The total monthly production cost for 1,000 packs is 21,900 ringgit, which means the cost per pack is 21 ringgit per 90 cent. If each pack is sold at 28 ringgit, the business earns a monthly profit of 9,100 ringgit. To set the right price, businesses must understand direct material, direct labor, and overhead costs. This helps control costs and increase profit. In conclusion, product costing is important for planning, decision making, and also business sustainability.